can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, it's your girl Angel. I feel like I haven't said that in a while, but probably I did. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, period, because you know I'm late over here. I got good content, so look on my channel. Why won't you want to subscribe to me? But anyways guys, enough of that. Today I'm going to do the egg treatment for my hair. That's why, you know, I look crusty dusty, but when I always see me look like this, so it's not the first, it's not gonna be the last, so whatever. So yeah guys, I'm just going to take you guys through the process, and yeah, so let's go. You need a egg for this. Basically 2 eggs or 1, it really depends. Mayonnaise in the bag, and of course coconut oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. Okay, you can use any egg of your choice, it doesn't matter long as it is egg. So guys, please to use an old towel or wear an old top, okay, because the mayonnaise, the egg and the oil, it's not a good scent. And please do not do this in your parents' house, because I could not do this in my dad's house. I didn't want him to, you know, cuss and go on with me. So yeah, so I just part my hair in section and make sure I'm massaging that egg mass into my hair. You know, my hair looking pretty dry here, but the egg mass really do its job. I'm telling you guys, you should try it. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm just massaging the egg mass into my hair, into the root, because you know this help with hair growth, damage hair, and the dryness of your hair. So I'm just massaging it and all that. Guys, please to use cold water to rinse your hair, okay? Please do not use any heat on your hair, because you're going to coat that egg into your hair and you're just going to learn that the hard way, okay? So listen to me and just do what I say, okay? So yeah. So I took a scandal bag, you can use any bag of your choice, and I let it sit on my hair for 45 minutes. So guys, I went ahead and I took the bag off, and this was what it was looking like. You know, it wasn't dry or anything, it was just looking just right. So guys, this is the result. So you know, I went in and I had some more coconut oil. I'll finish my, yeah, so this is it. If you guys like this result, please give my video a thumbs up, baby, thumbs up, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.